one is along the highway. Then, ito po yung entrance. Ano po siya? Indonesian style. Yan po, garden po yung harap niya. Star. Yan, mga swimsuit, mga two-piece. So, here is the Garden Villas. Yan po yung bahay. Tapos, dito rin po may bahay. Malaki yung bahay. Ganyan po yung itsura ng mga villas. Yan. Premier part. So, here, open. I will have a room tour about these villas or accommodation in Siargao. This is the room of Siargao Island Villas. Here, there is one single large bed. There is one big chair here. There is a big mirror. Balcony outside where you can see the garden. So here now there is a cute swing here. And there is also large chair here or a small bed where you can lie down. So here there is a clothes rack where you can hang your clothes. Nice place to relax outside. So now this is the sliding door going inside the room. There is a curtain. This one is the room. There is two nice lamps on the side. So it's very nice and elegant. The ceiling is very native. So now let's see. There is a small table there. So here is the mini fridge. You can also have coffee and tea here. There is so this one is the mirror. This is a bag the guy told me. This is free, you can take home. And now we will see the bathroom. So this is the bathroom, guys. There is a door. So there is a mirror here. There is also tissue. So here is the toilet. It's also separate from the shower room. The design is very elegant and nice. I like it very much. This is the shower room. It's very nice, very clean, and it's marble. There is also, see, you can put your shower gel, shampoo, the shower. Nice design. It's a marble and glass. So it's a very nice design and elegant. This villa has an Indonesian vibes. They call the restaurant Warung Restaurant. Ito po yung papunta ng dagat. Umuulan na naman po siya. Dito daw po kasi sa Siargao. Ay, meron po ditong gym. Ito po yung gym. Yan po siya. Yan. Ito po yung gym. Ganyan. Premier Villas. Ito po yung mga Premier Villas. Ayan. Mainit, tapos biglang uulan. Tapos iyan na po siya. Ito po yung Premier Villas. Ganyan. Here po yung poolside. Here. Restaurant. So yan, meron po siya dyan. Gusto po yung restaurant. Yan. So there is a pool here. So here is the pool. So ito po yun siya. Siargao Island Villas. So, this is the spa. So here my coffee. There is spa here. Spa.